Hi grade sixes. So today we're going to look at how local governments are organized. As we go through, please follow along with your Google Slides and write down any of the bold words that are missing on your page. Then when you get to the chart, you're going to use page 110 from the textbook to complete that chart. So make sure when you're completing the chart that you are copying it down correctly and don't rush through it, please. All right. So Alberta is divided into municipal areas that have their own local governments. So municipal area is a region that has its own local government. That's what that word means. So urban local governments include cities, towns, and villages. Rural local governments include municipal districts and counties. So these municipal districts are a rural area that has its own local government. So First Nation reserves and Métis settlements also have local governments. So now you're going to use the chart on page 110 in the textbook to fill it out in your Google slide. So take your time as you go through, and you're going to look at the type of local government. You're going to look at the top elected official. So this is for cities and towns are like mayors, and so you're going to look at the top elected official, and you're also going to look at what makes up the council for that government. All right, and when you're finished, please submit.